Ever stared at your monthly budget, those swirling numbers and subscriptions sucking away your hard-earned cash, and thought, if only someone else could see this madness? Maybe you're sharing finances with a partner, managing a family budget, or just trying to help a friend get their spending under control. You've heard about Rocket Money, the app that promises to tame the beast, but a nagging question lingers: can you actually share a Rocket Money account? Because let's be real, managing money isn't a solo sport for most of us. It's a team effort. We're juggling shared bills, family expenses, and maybe even trying to coach a loved one through their financial struggles. And the idea of having a tool like Rocket Money, with its subscription tracking, budgeting features, and negotiation power, accessible to multiple people, that's incredibly appealing. Think about it. Imagine sitting down with your partner, both of you seeing the exact same financial picture in real time. No more guessing games, no more "I thought you paid that," just clear, transparent insights into where your money is going. Or, picture helping your college-age child get a handle on their spending, guiding them through the app's features, and empowering them to make better financial decisions. The potential is huge. But here's the catch: the world of financial apps and shared accounts is often shrouded in complex terms and conditions. Security is paramount, and rightly so. You're dealing with sensitive information, bank accounts, and credit card details. So, the question of sharing a Rocket Money account isn't just about convenience, it's about security, privacy, and understanding the limitations of the platform. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of whether or not sharing is officially supported, let's take a moment to understand what Rocket Money actually does. It's not just a budgeting app, it's a comprehensive financial management tool. It scans your accounts, identifies recurring subscriptions, and even negotiates lower rates on your behalf. It helps you track your spending, set budgets, and visualize your financial health. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but how does that translate to sharing? Well, the core question boils down to access. Can multiple users log into the same Rocket Money account with their own credentials? And the answer, in its simplest form, is no. Rocket Money is designed for individual use. Each account is linked to a single email address and password, and sharing those credentials carries significant risks. Let's break down those risks. First and foremost, security. Sharing your login details exposes your sensitive financial information to potential breaches. If your password falls into the wrong hands, your bank accounts, credit cards, and personal data could be compromised. This is a risk you simply cannot afford to take. Secondly, privacy. Even if you're sharing with a trusted partner or family member, you're essentially giving them unfettered access to your entire financial history. This includes details about your spending habits, income, and financial goals. Are you comfortable with that level of transparency? While trust is essential in any relationship, sharing financial information requires careful consideration. Thirdly, account integrity. Rocket Money's algorithms and features are designed to work with a single user profile. Sharing an account could lead to data discrepancies, inaccurate reporting, and potentially disrupt the app's functionality. This could ultimately hinder your ability to effectively manage your finances. So, if directly sharing an account is a no-go, what are your options? Well, there are several workarounds and alternative approaches you can consider. Option 1, open communication and shared financial planning. This is the most fundamental and often the most effective approach. Instead of relying on shared access to an app, focus on open communication and collaborative financial planning. Sit down with your partner or family members regularly to review your finances, discuss your goals, and make joint decisions. You can use Rocket Money as a personal tool to track your own spending, but share the insights and reports with others. Option 2, screen sharing and collaborative review. If you want to share specific aspects of your Rocket Money account, you can use screen sharing tools like Zoom or Google Meet. This allows you to walk through your budget, review your subscriptions, and discuss your financial progress in real time. This approach offers a level of control and privacy, as you can choose exactly what information you want to share. Option 3. Manual data sharing and reporting. Rocket Money provides various reporting features that allow you to export your data and share it with others. You can generate reports on your spending, subscriptions, and net worth, and then share them via email or other communication channels. This approach allows you to share specific information without compromising your account security. Option 4. Explore alternative apps with shared account features. While Rocket Money doesn't offer shared accounts, there are other budgeting and financial planning apps that do. Consider exploring alternatives that cater to couples or families and offer features like shared logins, joint budgets, and collaborative financial planning tools. Remember to thoroughly research any app before sharing your financial information. Option 5. Utilizing separate Rocket Money accounts and consolidation. If you and your partner or family members each want to use Rocket Money individually, you can each create separate accounts. Then, you can manually consolidate your financial data or use a spreadsheet to track your overall household budget. This approach provides individual control while still allowing for a shared understanding of your finances. It's important to note that Rocket Money's terms of service prohibit sharing your login credentials. Attempting to circumvent these terms could result in account suspension or termination. It's always best to adhere to the platform's guidelines and explore alternative approaches to sharing financial information. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Consider your comfort level with sharing financial information, your technical capabilities, and the level of collaboration you require. Prioritize security and privacy, and choose an approach that aligns with your financial goals and values. Remember, technology is a tool, not a replacement for open communication and responsible financial planning. While Rocket Money can be a valuable asset in managing your finances, it's essential to understand its limitations and explore alternative approaches to sharing information with others. Don't be afraid to experiment and find a system that works for you. Whether you choose to share your screen, export reports, or explore alternative apps, the key is to prioritize open communication, collaborative planning, and responsible financial management. And if you are looking for a way to share financial management with someone and are very concerned about security, always look for the official method that the app provides, or if it does not provide one, consider if the workarounds are worth the risk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.